Next command is ellipse command. Either you can enter here EL and type enter for activate ellipse command, or second method is from here, click here. Here are three types of ellipse. First is center, next is axis end, and third one is elliptical arc. First of all, we go with center. Specify center of the ellipse. I select this point, keep ortho mode on, and give it radius. I enter radius 15 mm. Type enter, and in vertical radius we give it 5 mm. Again type enter. Click on ellipse to view its properties. Major radius is 15 mm, minor radius is 5 mm. Cancel it. Now second ellipse is axis and ellipse. Select it. We create first of all axis. First endpoint of the axis. Select this point. Give it some length. I give it 20 mm. Length of axis is the diameter of the ellipse. Now give it vertical radius. I enter 6 mm. Enter. Click here. Major radius 10 mm. We enter the length 20 mm. So its radius is 10 mm. Minor radius is 6 mm. Cancel it. And the next one is elliptical arc ellipse. Select it. First of all, specify first point. I select this point. Now enter the length of the arc or the diameter of the ellipse. I enter 20 mm. Type enter here. Vertical radius. I enter 5 mm. Enter. Now keep ortho mode off and specify any angle. I specify 45 degree. Enter. Now you have two options. Either you can go with parameter or included angle. First of all, we go with parameter. Select parameter and the type length of the parameter. I enter 270 mm. The length of this parameter is 270 mm. Again, we create elliptical arc ellipse. Select it. First point. Keep ortho mode on. Length of axis or the diameter of the ellipse. I enter 25 this time, and vertical radius I give it 7 mm. Enter. Now keep ortho mode off and give it some value of angle. I give it angle 45 degree. Enter. Specify end angle. I give it 180 degree. Press enter. This type of elliptical arc will be created from 45 degree to 180 degree. With this was the elliptical arc ellipse.